Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. Here is a problem. It says that find the electric potential due to a uniformly charged dielectric thin disk at a point on its periphery. So this is a dielectric disk having charge density sigma. Sigma is the charge density and its radius is r, and we have to charge is everywhere because the dielectric disk is there, so charge is everywhere distributed throughout the disk. So we have to find out the electric field due to this charge distribution whose surface charge density sigma at a point on its periphery. On a point on its periphery, we have to find out its charge electric potential. Let's solve it. To solve this, here the point P where we need to find out the potential. At this point we want to find the potential. So let's consider this element like this. Suppose this is my element I have considered at an angle theta. At theta angle I have considered this one, and this with this diameter I have drawn, this is equal to 2r length, this one is 2r length, and this small element what I have considered, small strip I have considered, this makes small angle d theta. This small angle d theta. Here charge has been distributed throughout the disk. Uniformly it has been distributed. So we have to take element. What type of element will take? First thing, let's go a distance x from here. Let's go a distance x from here and consider a small element of width dx. Small element of width dx. So the small rectangular element what I have taken, its length equal to dx and the width will be equal to x d theta. So how much area I have considered, if the dA is equal to dx into x d theta. So the charge that I have considered dq is equal to sigma charge per unit area into dx into x d theta. This is the area into charge per unit area. So this much charge I have considered, and this is just like a point charge, and for this point charge I can find the potential at P point, and for that I will write dV is equal to K dq by x. So if I calculate this one, the K dq value I will substitute sigma dx x d theta by x. So this x gets cancelled out. I can get the dV value I obtained. For the small element, what will be the potential at this point I have calculated. So I'll take to that side, and this small element has to be integrated. How to integrate? You have to integrate throughout the disk. Throughout the disk you have to integrate. So what we'll do, first we'll integrate like this. Along this line we'll be integrating first. First we'll be integrating like this along this line. Whole strip will be coming. This small element I will integrate, and again we'll be integrating like this. Two ways we have to integrate. First we have to integrate like this, then we have to integrate like this. So the whole disk will be covered. So this dB, the small element's potential at this point. Now r, this r is equal to 2r cos theta, because the right angle triangle I told. The right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse is there. So this r equal to 2r cos theta. So we'll be substitute the limit. This small r will be written, this small r is equal to 2r cos theta. So if I integrate this one, for first integration, this theta is constant quantity, this goes outside, minus pi by 2 2 pi by 2 into k sigma d theta gone here, and here dx integration you have to do from 0 to small r equal to 2r cos theta. As integration of dx is x, we'll get this value, and we can write minus pi by 2 pi by 2 k sigma d theta into 2r cos theta. Now we have to integrate about the theta d theta. So right now, which are constant, that will take outside, and we'll get the k sigma 2r gone outside, and we remain here the cos theta d theta from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and we will to integrate this. This is a very simple integration that we know. Integration of this equal to cos theta equal to sin theta. After substituting the limit from plus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, this value will be coming out to be equal to 2. So if I put this value, then I'll get the value is equal to V is equal to K sigma 2R into 2. So I got the relation that K sigma 4R. There is the answer for the potential. K value, I put the value of K 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma into 4R. Then my 4 get cancelled and I left with the potential due to a disk at a point on its periphery equal to sigma R by pi epsilon naught. These are the answers that I obtained. So this is the value we obtained at the periphery of the disk. Try to understand this one, and is it correct what we have done or what we assumed something? Let's find out first. Number one thing what we assumed here is the charge is only on the one surface. It is a thin disk. Charge is only on one layer because with sigma only this much area we have considered, not volume, only area we have considered. So we have considered this to be equal to only on one layer the charge is there, and in terms of sigma we have taken. But anyhow, 3 dimension the other go, we have to find the rho has to be substituted only, nothing else to be done. So we have assumed that only this is there. Second thing is that is it right to calculate the field at this point on the surface? No, because there is a charge present here, and because this everywhere charge there, one charge is there. Because of this charge on itself, the potential is undefined. For that charge, kq by 0, that will be equal to undefined thing will be there. So it is not exactly true to that we are finding it on the surface. We can say that this we are finding it just nearby to the surface, on the surface, not nearby to the surface of a periphery of a disk that we have found to the potential, and the potential formula that we obtained is equal to sigma R by pi epsilon naught is the disk there, disk anywhere nearby to the surface, sigma. We know the field potential on the axis of the disk. We know the field potential near the center. Now we find out the potential at the periphery of a disk, just outside the periphery, sigma R by pi epsilon naught. There are a few assumptions we have taken, and nearby value we got this approximate value equal to sigma R by pi epsilon naught. If you like the solutions, you hit the like button.